To speed up the video in CapCut, it is very simple. Start off by launching a CapCut application in your device. Now over here, click on the new project, or if you have any of the drafts saved, just tap on the given draft. Now over here, to speed up your video in your CapCut, tap on the video clip. Then from here at the bottom, you will see the speed icon. Tap on over here, then select on normal. As we want to speed up, drag the cursor to the right hand side and just adjust the speed that you wish your video could have. Once it is done, tap on the play button, and as you can see, it gets speed up with a simple tap. So this is how you speed up your video in CapCut. Wasn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can try this next step. Press and hold onto your application and check out app info. From here, you need to force stop your application and tap on OK. Then head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will help you to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.